How to share calendar or schedule with friends, family, or colleagues. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to share calendar or schedule with friends, family, or colleague using the Timetree. So for that case, you can follow the steps. First thing, launch the Timetree app on your device, or you could just go and visit the website and log in from the website as well. In my case, I'm using an application. Go ahead and open it up and then log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. First thing, you can go and navigate to the calendar that you wish to share. So for that case, click the image icon from the top right and then go to the particular calendar list and select that. When you're done selecting the calendar type, look for the option to share the calendar with. This option is usually located in the settings or menu section of the calendar interface itself. So click the gear icon from the bottom right hand side corner and look for the option to share the calendar. That should be located right over here. So Timetree typically offer multiple ways to share a calendar, such as by email, generating a shareable link, or inviting users directly through the app itself. So for that, you can go ahead and tap the invite members button located right on top and accordingly select the way of sending them. Depending on the sharing method you choose, enter the email address or the username of the people you want to share the calendar with, and you may have the option to select contact from your address book as well. So set permissions, send the invitations, and you can just monitor your sharing, and that's how you can share your calendar or schedule with friends, family, or colleagues. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.